Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Threads account without Instagram. So if you want to deactivate your Threads account without affecting your Instagram account, you can do so directly from the Threads app. So open the Threads app, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. So I already clicked mine. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now in here, at the top, go to Account Center. Next, once you're here, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Now, from the options, look for your Threads account and click Manage. Next, so once you're here, so from the options, look for deactivation or deletion and click on that. So from these two options, what you need to do is to select deactivate account. So deactivating your account is only temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Threads until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging back in. So click continue again. Select a reason why you want to deactivate your account, then click continue, then enter your password, click continue. Then select the Activate Account button. Then your account will be deactivated. And that's basically it. Super simple. So, Meta now allows you to permanently delete your Threads profile without deleting your Instagram account. So, what happens when you deactivate? Your Threads profile is hidden, your posts, replies, etc. are no longer visible to others, your Instagram account remains active and unaffected, and you can reactivate your Threads account anytime by just logging back in. And that's it. Thank you for watching.